Alright people, welcome back to another episode of CITÉH. You know what's going on, we're live. Today we play Greatest Yutes. Last time we played them we came out victorious. They're looking for revenge. Today it's battle at the bottom. Crabs in the bucket type-ish. You know what? Put your feet up. Get a tea. Let's get it cracking.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's match day.
Alright, another week in the Colosseum. Quick story about the Colosseum. They used to make people fight to the death for the people's entertainment. We're in there fighting for our lives. Battle at the bottom, crabs in the bucket type shit. But this ain't just for your entertainment. This is real life. Anyway, David's back. You know he has to control the game.
Movement!
Wants to keep the ball, pass the ball, move it side to side. Anyway, to the boy Liam, you know he likes to cut into that green grass. Matt, back into David. You know what he wants to do?
Controller.
Moving like Drake 016 vibes. Anyway, with this bit of miscommunication, we miss out. Anyway, let's flip the script. As you can see on the reverse image, nothing really in there. Anyway, they take it personally. Tyler coming forward.
You better have good feet. You plays for the sessions. Fuck. This is battle at the bottom. Yeah, it's fucking rough back here. Very different.
Telling you it's rough, man. We're in the Colosseum right now. Real men, stand up and be accountable. We've lost the ball. We're trying to get back. Little twist and turn just to get a shot off. It's not good. Anyway.
Hey.
Alright, Tyler. Welcome to five side.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Good fight. Switch on. It's been tough last time. Right shoulder.
Anyway, again, ball misplaced. They're coming forward, 3 on 2. Jacob saves. Tries to roll one out. Gets it to Liam. I'm not gonna lie, any other day I'd have put my mortgage on it. Anyway, 1-0. If you're old enough, you remember the Gerrard slip.
Oh, and Gerrard slipped, and Denver Bar's in here.
Finish.
When something sort of like that. Right, that's 2-0.
No, I think it's
Battling back and forth. Hey, Jacob makes a great save in there.
Just talk there.
Anyway, Liam coming forward.
Just talk
That one on your back. Step over, sends it for Tesco's. Trying to get me a meal deal while he's there. Anyway, loose pass, picked up, blocked, bit of 1-2.
Good
Boy Liam driving forward, takes his man on, finds the pass. Zoib.
Could you jump?
Waits for him.
Could you jump?
Hamza puts that one through his letterbox.
Back in there with a press.
2-1. Tyler coming forward.
Hey, GT.
Them sessions he's paying for are paying off. Anyway, 3-1. Game's still there though. I'm sure the last game went something like this as well. Looking like a young Michael Jackson with that spin. Oh, through ball just split the defense.
Ball you jump.
Put that in the back of one net. Matt tells me I'm not working hard enough. I hear it. Ball into Hamza, takes him wide. These are the positions you want to put him in. 4-1. Just give me a sec. I'm loading. Spread across. Hamza. We'll take them how they come. 4-2. Game's still there to be taken. 2 goals in there. Welcome to five side.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Back at the Colosseum, some old faces. Declined! Woo!
Hey, Jacob into David. Twist and turn. Puts him in a washing machine. He's on
Hey,
spin
good feed,
cycle.
ref will take that.
His friend comes to the
This is
back
a
of his
wheel
brethren.
Yeah, we'll upset them.
4-2. Somebody found a little
Hey,
sofa
save
space, but you
Jacob.
see that save there? Quality stuff. 4-2.
yeah.
David with the ball. Tries to put a ball forward into Matt. Just misses out. Ball's on the outside. But from defense, they're going to attack.
Slap it. So shit.
One person happy, the other person not. I hear it.
Finish. Time. Oh, lucky. React now.
He couldn't finish his dinner. Says you weren't hungry
Follow
enough,
him.
so his friend finishes
Follow
it for
him.
him.
Oh, T, that's annoying.
They're starting to get away from us here. It's like, if you blink, you'll miss it. It's clip after clip after clip.
Lefty.
What can we do? They get the next one. At this point, they're serving
Hey,
us.
step left.
It's you got served, final round, and they keep putting in those finishing moves. We're dancing in the
Good.
Colosseum. We're not moving our feet quick enough. Sounds like I'm being negative, but I'm not. I'm just, whatever I'm seeing on the screen, I'm giving to you. I'm not someone who hides in the darkness, getting cooked. There's still plenty of time to forward back though. 7-2. I've seen madder things happen in the Colosseum. Someone looks down and out. All it takes is one hit
Rio's there.
to come back. Look at Zoe, took one for the team. Anyway, Liam still out there putting a shift in. Ball rolls, sends his player to the shot. Another one, spin move. See him do it.
What to say?
Hamza gets one back. Could this be the turnaround? Let's hope so.
7-3. Jesus Christ. He's entitled all them shooting lessons are paying off. Well done, Liam. Turn,
7-3 can hit our
Liam.
shot time on the sideline.
Do him.
Not a 7-3 type of game, man.
Defending race.
Our defender needs to be more tighter, more compact.
Well done, Keith. I lucky you.
Shot saved by the keeper.
Protect.
And then moving on.
You're in.
He tries to
Oh,
cut
lucky.
it
Great
out.
effort. Time.
Somehow
Coming out,
from
coming
attack,
out.
we've gone to defend again. We just keep losing out.
Good ball,
But Hamza,
Hey, love that. Hamza, simple but effective. Liam, great ball.
7-4. Still can get in there, you know what I'm saying? It's just
I actually seen some.
it's that time
Mind
where
games,
it's
Mind
possible.
games, you might, you know. Might put on a good performance in the top and then.
Anyway, they're still
Hey,
dancing.
what is
finding
even the
a way
best
forward
player?
and that.
How's he going past two of you? Come on, man. Hey, wonderful.
Yeah, call it half, bro.
Someone say hip hip, I can't.
Alright, boom. April 25th, I'm fighting for charity. Cancer research. Hold cancer research dear to my heart. I lost my auntie 20 years ago to cancer. So, special occasion for me. I'll leave all the details in the description. Link below and everybody. Yeah, man, hopefully you can attend. If you can't, donate what you can. £1 to £100, doesn't matter. Just help me out and help them out to find one.
You're fresh now.
I say it's like stick up in.
Yeah, 100%. That's why they got most of the goals. Literally switched off like after seconds.
They're good side boys, they won it though.
Yeah, they won it. Of course they won. We're both battling for the bottom, yeah. We're both the bottom.
I'm telling you, get a couple more.
What's the score?
7-4-3 in it.
We need to take more shots. We're not really testing that keeper. But then again, he's decent.
He's decent, but it's old now. They can't get down low like Jacob's getting down and that. You know what I mean? You have to put them there, man. Low and that. Hard and low. I'm just putting them in the little simple ones in the corner and that. Couldn't get there. He couldn't even move. Do you know what I mean? So I'm taking shots. Trying to get shots. When we get in there, put the ball in, someone hold it. They ain't stuck to anyone yet, so fucking hold it, play it off, move the ball quicker. Get in.
I thought it was a warm-up, mate.
Exactly, that's the warm up. Now we accept 5 more goals from you, yeah? Sweet.
Alright, second half underway. Only 3 goals in there. We must make a comeback, man. Let's fight to the death. Welcome to the Colosseum. 7-4, they're moving the ball quite well. That ball has been doing it all game. Can't lift the post.
Good shot. Good movement.
And they've started the second half more brightly. Somehow he's found a way in that little gap, looking for a foul. Nothing in there. Anyway, we're pushing them back into their half. David takes a shot, kind of dribbles into the keeper's
Hey, Matt, he's
midriff.
gone. Well done.
Matt cuts it out. Gives it to the boy Liam. Gives it back. Lets it run. Hamza. It's blocked.
Yeah, the green, innit? I didn't even see it. Oh no. Alright, shooting coach won't be happy with that one. Welcome to 5-a-side, young man. I save you. That was a mad wide still.
At this point, back and forth, back and forth.
Love that! What are you
Matt, what David?
Matt cooking.
No shot, no
7-5.
shot.
Yes, there we go.
Tyler's happy with that one. Seems like
No
it's
shot, no shot.
replay. Scores again. 9-5. At this point, we're giving them too much space to create what they want to create, and we're not defending how we should defend them. Banks are forward, it's getting ball rolled all over the gaff.
Nothing.
Shooting at will. Lucky their shooting is not that good. Even though it's 9-5, it probably should be a bit more. Jacob saving us as well. Anyway, from 9-5, make it 10. 10-5. What do we say? Obviously, we're stringing a few passes together, trying to switch a route and everybody. Liam making the pass out wide to Matt. And at this point, what it's doing, damage limitation. Little hip shift, might throw the hip out. I'm getting old, boys. Still trying to do a job for the badge that I love. In the Colosseum, we die as men. Anyway, coming forward, Liam. Keeper saves. Do you know what, yeah, I think we ain't worked this keeper enough, you know. But they've worked Jacob real hard, man. He's making some real shots in that. Anyway, a little one into Hamza. He loses out. So they punish us. They're happy with their performance. And I'd be happy too, man. I can't lie, when you win, it's such a great feeling. When you're on the receiving end of losing, all confidence, morale, it's all different. Little 50-50 battle. I lose out in the centre. They're just twisting and turning at this point, finding ways forward. Look. Moving like dancing on ice. It's shifting about. Anyway, takes on Hamza one-on-one. At the back of the net. 12-5. Blink of an eye type shit. Just a second ago it was like 7-5, 8-5, something like that. In front of goal, these men are just being ruthless. We're being too slow, the tempo is not high enough. Ball's probably not being moved quick enough. Defensively, a little turn in there, tried to go for his legs, no good, I had to put my body in there. Quick turn. Take a quick free kick though.
First game was cancelled. Rain and bears on the weekend. Most games are cancelled. Right shoulder.
12-5 damage limitations. Again, little one into me, straight back off the first time. Man couldn't quite reach. Anyway, again, they're coming forward. They punish us. 13-5, I know when they sit there with their missuses, or they might sit there together and watch it as a team, and they might say, hey, you know what, we've done this. They got their, it looks like they're gonna get their revenge. They came out this time and they said, yo, last time they smoked us on camera, made us look bad. Let's punish them. And they do it again. 14-5. I gotta take Tyler off.
Take five. You're right, take 5.
Alright, 14-5. Trying to do some damage limitations. I think the boys are trying to go out with a bit of pride now. We've got to keep the ball, move it away from them, shift them from side to side, find some angles, little 1-2s in there. You can see what we're trying to do, but it's just not coming off today. It's one of them days where they're shooting from far and they're having fun with it. 14-5, they run down the clock now. Matt, with a bit of urgency, steals the ball, gets it across, tries to get a 1-2 in there. He makes a great save there. Makes another one as well. We should be putting those away though.
What's that, last 5 minutes?
What they've done is punish us, and we ain't punished them. If it weren't for Jacob, scoreline could be a lot heftier than what it is. 14-5. Mistake. 14-6. Straight from kickoff, no one's in their shape. So this happens. And when the game comes to an end, it's going to end 15-6. It's another defeat in the Colosseum. We patch up our battle wounds and we go again next week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Madeira.
That was so
Hey, come Dave, let's get the picture in it so we can go.
I don't want to be a picture, man.
You have to. We have to do it, we have to turn up, man. Who said the standards high? Where's Jacob? We have to, man. They said the standards high, bro. So when we don't post the picture, they message me and say, where's the picture this week?
Ready?
Thank you.